Okay, good morning, my dear students. Okay, how are you? I hope fine you are. Okay, in the previous class we have learnt uh, vowel sounds of 20 vowel sound, peer vowels or monotongues or diphthongs. Okay, in this session we are going to learn today remaining consonant sounds of 24 sound symbols. Okay, these are the 24 consonant sounds. The first one is pa. The sound, this indicates the symbol of pa. In initial position, pen, medial, reply, gap. Some more examples, pencil, power, put, etc. Next, this is the symbol of ba. Bed, table, lap, ball, bunch, beauty. This is the symbol of ta. Test, attain, feet, table, tail, teeth. Next, this is the symbol of da. Do, wonder, bad, doll, dog, dance. Next, this is the symbol of ka, like in cat, sky, walk, kite, kettle, cat. This is the symbol of ja. Go, ago, mug, goat, big, go. Next, this is the symbol of cha. Chin, merchant, match, chin, chair, church. Okay, next this is the symbol of ja. Jump, badged, lodge, jump, jump, jug. Okay, this is the symbol of ma. Initial, man, tomato, dam, mug, ran, calm. This is the symbol of na. Neat, many, ban, nurse, manner, hen. This is the symbol of inya. Actually, there is no Telugu equivalent, but it is a like inya. Ma, na, these are all nasal sounds. Like in Telugu, anunasikalanta mukkuto maatladedi with the help of the nose. So in English, these are called nasal sounds. Inya. Like in there is no initial position. Medial position, bangles, sing, ring, sing, bang, bang. The sounds coming from nose. Next, this is the symbol of la. Life, plate, bill, leaf, tall, leg. Next, this is the symbol of fa. Fa. The upper teeth touch the lower lips. Okay, file, refer, half, fan, rough, cliff. This is the symbol of nearly va. Actually, this is not perfectly va. Okay, like in the initial position, van, liver, dive, van, visit, fire. Here, this is the symbol of ta. Thick, mathematics, mind. Thick, truth, and cloud. Next, this is the symbol of da. Only remaining as it is like a letter, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the different. Okay, da. This is the symbol of da. Like in this, father, lathe, that, then, mother. Okay, this is the symbol of sa. Sun, basket, base, sing, sell, kiss. This is the symbol of ja. Ottuja. Like in the Jew, leisure, lose, zero, Jew, buzz. Next, this is the symbol of sha. Sugar, assure, dash, shive, ship, cashier. Cashier. Next, this is the symbol of ja. Ottuja laga sound ja. Genre, measure, garage, pleasure, vision. This is the symbol of ha. Has, behave, had, and heart, hotel. Next, this is the symbol of ra. rat, carrier, car, radio, carrot. Next, this is the symbol of va. It is a clear va. Here the word like in white, between, water, white, wall. Here the difference you observe, when we pronounce it here va, the va, upper teeth touch the lower lip. But here the mouth will become, lips will become round, white, between, water, weight, wall. Okay? Next, this is the symbol of ya, consonant ya. This is not ja, j, ya. Like in the u, pupil, u, yes, yang. Okay? These are the sounds. Okay? These 24 consonant sounds and yesterday 20 vowel sounds. You have to write in a systematic manner in your fair notes, and you observe, you read again and again, you practice in textbook exercises. Okay? Thank you.